ikaw. Pilipinas kong mahal, ang puso ko at buhay man sa iyong ibibigay. Tungkulin kong nagampanan na lagi kang paglingkuran. Ang laya mo'y nabantayan, Pilipinas kong mahal.
We prefer to choose two arts to express national identity: the post-war nationalistic musics and artworks. First, the KKK or Kataas-Taasan, Galang-Galang ng Katipunan ng mga anak ng bayan, founded in 1892. It launched the Philippine Revolution in 1896. Primary goal was to achieve complete separation and independence from Spanish colonial rule through armed revolution aiming for sovereign Filipino nation. Secondly, the art were a shadow of a soldier fought for the country. The moral lesson is love for the country, desire for independence, a freedom from foreign control or colonization. Our pride, patriotism, and unity are the key elements to prove our nationalism.